Locate the control panel on the instructor podium. The panel's display may have gone to sleep. If so, simply touch the panel to wake it up or wave your hand over the panel's sensor. Then touch the power button. It may take several minutes for the system to start up. Please leave the classroom system on as a courtesy to instructors using the classroom after you. The system is set to automatically turn off at night, so there is no need for you to turn off the system. If you are not using the classroom system, you can mute the display. Touch Display Control, and then touch Mute under Projector. This keeps the system running, but nothing will be displayed on the projector screen. Do not choose the Off button. It often takes several minutes for the projector to turn off and on, so don't use the Off button even if you are not planning on using the projector screen during your class. However, you can turn the confidence monitor at the back of the classroom off if you are not currently using it. Please note that if the confidence monitor is off, it may take a minute or two for the monitor to come back on when you touch the On button. Touch Close to go back to the main menu. In many large lecture halls, the projector screen is built into the front of the classroom, and you do not need to do anything to set it up. In some classrooms, you may need to use control switches on the wall to move the projector screen up or down. On the classroom control panel, you will see Program Volume on the right. This allows you to easily adjust the volume of the classroom speakers or mute or unmute the speakers. View the video on using audio and microphone controls for additional audio options. The default setting for the display is typically the instructor PC or Mac. You can use the other display buttons to display your laptop, the document camera, or the Apple TV. View other videos in the Classroom Tools series for details on how to use these features. The instructor podium includes multiple charging outlets, and many classrooms also have ports for charging USB devices, such as smartphones and tablets. Be aware that connecting a device to a power outlet does not connect it to the classroom system, but most devices will allow you to connect them to the classroom system while they are charging.